Hello, your name is?
My name's Heather. I'm pleased to meet you, Dina.
Thank you.
This is Nelly.
Nelly. And this is?
Ebony.
Ebony. Oh. So Hezza done Reiki course level 2. That's nice.
Yeah, I did level 1 and level 2.
Hezza, could you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, I am 52. I am an animal lover.
Oh, that's
this
nice.
Is Nelly.
I love animals and dogs as well.
Everybody is there. I did my Reiki level 1 and level 2 in a long time ago, 2013, and my dad was really poorly, and I never used it then, and I didn't know why I was doing it, but now I do.
Why?
Animals.
Oh, that's nice. I want to do the same.
Yeah, I think the universe has brought us together for a reason.
Yeah.
And when I saw that, you did Reiki Honey.
Yeah.
That really excited me, and plus it was on my Reiki Master's page, Julie.
Yeah, Julie, yeah. She's my teacher too, Master.
So I definitely think that we were brought together for a reason.
Yes, I agree.
I don't know how it's going to pan out yet, but I'm really excited.
Yeah, and I brought Hezza to show my queen today, and I will show.
Oh wow! Look now.
Так, where is she? Where is she? She's a green. She's a green.
She's green. Look. Look, there's the mummy of the hive.
Yeah, she is.
With her little workers.
Look, the dog is sniffing.
There she is. There she is.
Green one.
There she is. That's truly amazing. I can't wait to have a look at the hives, Dina.
I'll show you.
I'm really interested to find out about the healing hertz for the bees when they hum. Apparently it can heal you.
It's a God sound, because when the bees create the combs, they hum it, and hum helps them to create wax, and it says it's a God sound.
Yes.
And people go and sleep in like special houses.
I saw the mobile hive and I thought that is totally amazing.
Yeah,
I would love to do that.
I think 1 hour, if you sleep there, 1 hour equals like full night's sleep. So you get so much energy.
You must get really restorative sleep.
Yeah.
And I suppose it's like a sound bath, but like a bee bath.
Yeah. This is non-filtered. It has a propolis, wax and everything, which is very good. And this is filtered. So this is Hezza is my first customer of Reiki Honey. Oh, I'm so excited.
I'm so excited as well.
Yeah, it is, because I infused it with Reiki energy. So very nice. I'm glad that you're my first customer and such a beautiful woman.
Oh, thank you.